Hello everyone, this is my review of the Mech-Mech smart bird feeder with camera. Straight out of the box, this feeder came well protected and felt sturdy. It didn't feel cheap at all, and everything was neatly packed. The installation took me less than 10 minutes. It's solar powered, so I didn't have to worry about wires or batteries. I just mounted it in my front yard, and the app guided me step by step through the setup. It's super user-friendly. The 5MP photos and the KHDR video look stunning, even in low light. Another feature I love is the AI bird recognition. It's surprisingly accurate. So far, it's correctly identified cardinals, blue jays, robins, and even a species I had never seen before. Every bird visit gets saved in the app, so I can go back and watch anytime I want. Overall, it's a nice, cozy place for the birds to come and cool off and eat, and you get to witness them doing it. So I highly recommend it, and I hope this review will help.